ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। श्रीराम जयम्। शुक्लांबरधरं विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये। Namaskar and welcome back to Amar Bharata channel, where we are studying the Manika class 9 Samskrita textbook. In that, the Ashtamaha Pathaha na dharma vruddheshu vayassamikshate means for persons elderly in dharma, age is not a consideration. We look at the exercises along with an explanation in the English language of the answers, the solutions. Question number 1. अधोलिखितानां प्रश्नानाम् उत्तरम् एकपदेन लिखता. Answer the following questions in one word. In Sanskrita, मित्रैः सह क्रीडित्वा कः गृहं प्रत्यावृत्तः. Having played with his friends, who returned home? Answer is Ashtavakraha. Second one, Ashtavakrasya pita kimartham rajasabham gatah asit. For what reason had Ashtavakra's father gone to the king's court? Shastrarthaya. For discussion on the Shastras, meaning of the Shastras. Tvam balosi rajasabhayam tava pravesho na sulabha iti kasya vachanam. You are a boy. Entering the king's court is not easy. Whose words are these? Matuhu. His mother's, Ashtavakra's mother's words. Next one. Idrishim tadrishim va ashankam ma vidhehi iti ashvasanam kasmai diyate. Don't have this or that type of doubt. To whom was this assurance given? Matre, to his mother. Ashtavakra gave this assurance to his mother. Ashtavakram drishtva ke uchchaihi ahasan. Who laughed loudly upon seeing Ashtavakra? The answer is Panditaha. Scholars in the court of King Janaka, they laughed loudly. Next one. Ashtavakraha kim kritva panditan ajayat. Doing what did Ashtavakra win over the scholars? Answer is Shastrartham kritva. By giving the correct interpretation or meaning of the Shastras. Rajasabhayam mithyajnana garvitaha ke. In the king's court, who were the ones filled with arrogance because of their incorrect or improper or wrong knowledge? Answer is Panditaha, the scholars in the king's court. Ashtavakraha kasya vishaye kathayati asthi rudhira mamsa medobharite charma veshtite iti. With respect to what does Ashtavakra say as filled with bones, blood, flesh, fat and covered with skin? Dehasya, regarding the body. Yadi nadi vakra kim tasyaha jalamapi vakram iti kena prishtam. If the river is crooked, is the water also crooked? By whom was this asked? Ashtavakrena. Kim vastu vamsha parampara praptam. What is it that is inherited from forefathers? Answer is Rajyam. Now you should notice one thing. The vibhakti of these words should match with the vibhakti of the questions which are asked. For example, kasya is given here. It is dehasya. Then kena is ashtavakrena. Like that, for every answer, the vibhakti of the answer should match with the question. Question number 2. Purnavakyena Samskrita Bhashaya Uttarata. Answer the following questions in full sentences in Samskrita. First question. Matuhu chintam nyatva kaha rajasabham gantum udyatah asit. Upon hearing the anxiety of the mother, who started to go to the king's court, or who got engaged in going to the king's court? Answer is Matu Chintam Nyatva Ashtavakraha Rajasabham Gantum Udyataha Asit. Ashtavakra started to go to the king's court. Raja Sabhayam Kasya Upahasaha Abhavat. In the king's court, whose ridiculing happened? Raja Sabhayam Ashtavakrasya Upahasaha Abhavat. Ashtavakras ridiculing happened. Raja Janakaha Ashtavakraya Kim Ayachat. What did King Janaka give to Ashtavakra? Raja Janakaha Ashtavakraya Swakiyam Manam Ayachat. He gave away his own mind to Ashtavakra. Manasaha Kim Karyam. What is the functioning of the mind? What is the function of the mind? Manasaha Karyam Sankalpa Vikalpau. Means looking at the options and choosing some kind of an alternative, taking a decision. Raja Janakah Kasya Padayoha Patati Kimarthancha. At whose feet did King Janaka fall and why? Raja Janakaha Ashtavakrasya Padau Patati. King Janaka falls at Ashtavakra's feet. Swasya Atmajnana Prapti Vishaye Margadarshanartham. For purposes of giving directions in order to get self-knowledge. Next one, we look at some interrogative words as usual. Kaha, ka, kim, kutra, kati, kada, kutaha, katham, kimartham, kidrisha, kidrishi, kidrisham. And also the three tables, kaha, kau, ke in pullinga, ka, ke, kaha in strilinga, and kim, ke, kani in napumsakalinga, as usual, as we have been seeing all along. Now, this is a different kind of question which we see now. Etadrisham prashnanam nirmanam kurta yesham uttarani adholikita vakyeshu syuho. Frame questions as illustrated. They have given here Ashtavakraha jananim aprachat mataha kva aste mama pita. So the question to be asked, Ashtavakraha jananim kim aprachat. What did Ashtavakra ask his mother? So Ashtavakraha jananim aprachat is what the answer comes here. Second one, Ashtavakrasya pita Janakasya sabhayam vidvadbhihi saha shastrarthang gatah asit. The question to be asked is Ashtavakrasya pita Janakasya sabhayam kaihi vidvadbhihi. That's the answer. Like that. Now we have to ask questions here. Ashtavakraha pratyavadat janani alam chintaya. So what is the question to ask? Ashtavakraha janani kim pratyavadat is the question. Next question. Rajasabhayam balakasya vakradehasya upahasopi sambhavyate. The question to be asked is Rajasabhayam kasya balakasya becomes kasya vakradehasya upahasopi sambhavyate. Next, Ashtavakraha pitaram adaya kshipram agamishyati. The question to be asked is Ashtavakraha kam adaya kshipram agamishyati. Pitaram will become kam. Matra anugnatah saha rajasabham gataha. Kaya anugnatah. Matra will become kaya anugnatah saha rajasabham gataha. Next one. Panditanam chestitam drishtva Ashtavakraha hasitum arabhata. Kesham Panditanam becomes Kesham chestitam drishtva Ashtavakraha hasitum arabhata. See, for these questions, there are more than one way by which we can frame the question. For example, I can also ask Panditanam chestitam drishtva kaha hasitum arabhata. So Ashtavakraha will become kaha. So there is more than one way of asking questions in such cases. There is a printing mistake here. Rajnya hasya karanam prishtam. Question is kena hasya karanam prishtam. Next one, Ashtavakraha mithyajnana garvitan drishtva hasati. Question is Ashtavakraha kan drishtva हसति मिथ्याज्ञानगर्वितान् दृष्ट्वा हसति. नेक्स्ट, राजर्षिः जनकः आत्मानं धन्यं मन्यते. कः आत्मानं धन्यं मन्यते? This is the question. As I told you, there is more than one way by which we can pose the question to get the same answer. And you need to check with your teacher as to do you need to give all the alternatives questions, or is one question sufficient? You need to confirm with your teacher in school. Next question. अधोलिखितान् प्रश्नान् यथा निर्देशम् उत्तरत. Answer as directed. बालः अष्टावक्रः मित्रैः सह क्रीडित्वा गृहं प्रत्यावृत्तः. अस्मिन् वाक्ये अष्टावक्रः इति कर्तृपदस्य किं क्रियापदं प्रयुक्तम्? So in this sentence, for this kartripada, the subject word ashtavakraha, which is the kriyapada or the verb? Answer is pratyavrittah, the last word here. Tam hasantam vilokya sarve सभास्थिताः विद्वांसः स्तब्धाः अभवन्. अस्मात् वाक्यात् स्तब्धाः इति पदस्य विशेष्य पदं चिनुत. Stabdhaha is the adjective. We have to find the corresponding noun for this. The answer is Vidvamsaha. The scholars who were astonished. That's the meaning. Aham bhavad darshanaihi atmanam dhanyam manye. Atra manye iti kriyapadasya kim kartrapadam. For this verb manye, which is the subject word, the answer is aham. Next one. Matra anumatah अष्टावक्रः राजसभां गतः. अस्मिन् वाक्ये अष्टावक्रः इत्यस्य विशेषणं चिनुत. For this, for the word अष्टावक्र, we have to find the adjective. Answer is anumatah, the one word here. तस्य वक्रदेहं वीक्ष्य पंडिताः तारस्वरेण अहसन्. अत्र दृष्ट्वा इति पदस्य किं पर्यायपदं प्रयुक्तं? For this दृष्ट्वा, what is the synonym in this sentence? Answer is वीक्ष्य here. इच्छामि भवद्भ्यः किञ्चित् दातुम्. अस्मिन् वाक्ये स्वीकर्तुम् इति पदस्य किं विलोमपदं प्रयुक्तं? स्वीकर्तुं means to accept. The opposite word is datum. We go to the next question. घटना क्रमानुसारम अधोलिखित वाक्यानि पुनः लिखत. Arrange the following sentences in chronological order. Means the order in which they occurred in this lesson. As usual, we convert each of these sentences. There are actually 12 sentences, and we convert each of these sentences into our mother tongue language. And in this case, since this video is in English, we'll convert everything to English language as I've shown you here. Ashtavakra's father had gone to King Janaka's court to discuss the Shastras. So all the sentences are converted to English as shown here. Now we look at the solution one by one. The first one is Ka, as I read just now. Second is Kha. Ashtavakra asked his mother, "Oh mother, where is my father?" Next is Ga, which is having been given consent by his mother, Ashtavakra went to the king's court. Next is Na. Scholars started laughing on looking at the crooked body of the boy. Next is Gha, which is Ashtavakra laughed loudly on looking at the antics of the scholars. Next one, Cha, which is Janaka asked, "Oh Ashtavakra, why are you laughing?" Next comes Jha, which is Ashtavakra said, "They are laughing on seeing my body. I laugh at their foolishness." Next one, Cha, which is, "O king, in a cricket body, is the Atman also crooked?" Next is Ja, which is, everyone was impressed by the scholarliness of Ashtavakra in the Shastras. Next, Ta, Janaka, having been impressed, wishes to offer something to Ashtavakra. Yeah, Janaka offers his mind to Ashtavakra. And last one is Tha. Janaka, having been defeated, falls at Ashtavakra's feet. Next question. Samuchitam पर्यायपदं पाठात् Anvishya likhata. Choose the appropriate synonym from the lesson. Anvishya means you have to search in the lesson and find the appropriate synonym. Kutra means where. It is kwa. Vismitaha means stabdhaha. Vilokya means drishtva. Samipat is sakashat, means nearby. Vilokya means having seen. Vismitaha means surprised or astonished. Adhuna means samprati, now. Next question. Uchita viparita padam chitva likhata. Match the opposite meaning words appropriately. Sulabha opposite is durlabha, very easy. Kshipram opposite is shanaihi. Kshipram means very fast. Shanaihi is slowly and gradually. Next one is laukikam, very easy. Alaukikam. Next is pravishya nirgatya. Pravishya means having entered. Nirgatya means having exited. Arpaya means offer. Grahana means accept. Now, the last question, eighth question. अधोलिखितानां वाक्यानां पूर्तिः उचितैः विशेषणैः कुरुता. Complete the following sentences using appropriate adjectives. Now they have given a set of adjectives here and their corresponding nouns are in these sentences. We have to match the adjective with the noun. How to do that? The method is we have to match the vibhakti, vachana and linga of both, because both adjective and its corresponding noun should have these three in common, the same. The gender, which is lingam, number, which is vachanam, and vibhakti, which is case. So let us see what are the words given here. We can see that idrishi and alankrita are feminine gendered adjectives. So we should find out the corresponding feminine gendered nouns in these sentences. If we see here, Rajasabha is a feminine word. So alankrita. Rajasabha vidvadbhihi alankrita asid. So alankrita gets struck off. The next word is idrishi, which is aho balakasya dash nipunata. So idrishi will come here. This is again a feminine gendered word and those two get cut off. We cannot use these interchangeably. Next, let us look at the napumsakalinga word here. Bhavadiyam is here. Dhanam is here. So bhavadiyam dhanam. Etad dhanam bhavadiyam nasti. So that gets struck off. Let us look at the bahuvachana pada here. Mithyajnana garvitaha is a bahuvachana pada. Is the only bahuvachana pada here. Pullinga. So we can see here. Ye मिथ्याज्ञान गर्विताः ते सम्मानं न लभन्ते. Bahuvachana ye and te, these are all bahuvachana shabdas. So that gets struck off. Now the only four remaining are prathama vibhakti ekavachana pullinga padas. So we have four blanks here. Let us see where they come in. Ashtavakraha dash asit. It will be here. Sarvashastra parangataha asit will come here. Next one is Atma dash uchyate. Nirakaraha uchyate. Next one is Udarata gunaha na sulabhaha is coming here. And last one is Mitrasya katu vyavaharam drishtva aham stabdhaha abhavam. Stabdhaha also gets crossed off. So all the 8 words get filled up here accordingly. I hope you understood how we worked out this particular exercise. If you have any doubts, you please reach out to me in the comments part of this video. Well, this brings me to the end of this video. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe and share. See you in the next video with the next lesson. YouTube Amara Bharata Shubham Bhuyat Mangalamastu Vande Mataram Sarvam Shri Krishna Pranamastu.